Let's take control of your finances right now by setting up a budget in EveryDollar. First, open the EveryDollar app and tap the plus sign at the bottom to start a new budget. This will bring you to the core budgeting screen. Start with your income. Tap the planned amount for your income category and enter the total amount you expect to receive this month. You can even add multiple income sources if needed. Next, work your way down the list, category by category. Tap on a category like giving and begin to add line items inside that category and plan spending amount. For each one, tap the planned amount and enter how much you want to allocate. Don't forget your savings goals, add those to the savings category. Continue filling out each category. Housing, transportation, food. Be realistic about your typical spending in each area. The goal is to get to zero every dollar accounted for. If you have money left over, find a place for its savings, debt payoff, or a fund. Throughout the month, track your spending in the app. This will help you see where your money is actually going and adjust your budget accordingly. Regularly review your budget and make adjustments as needed. This is a living document, not something set in stone. Consistent use will help you gain total control of your finances.